This is going to be a video product review of the Artman GoPro HERO5, HERO6, HERO7 1480 milliamp replacement battery. It's a 3-pack, and it also comes with a 3-channel LED USB charger for the GoPro HERO5 Black, Hero 2018, HERO6, HERO7 Black, fully compatible with the original. Okay, so let's take this out of the box. This Artman GoPro 3-battery pack, nicely packaged, good for them, very nice packaging. And we'll take the battery out. The battery looks very much like the GoPro. Now I'm going to tell you something, a lot of people don't know this, but most batteries that we buy in the US, most batteries are made in China. So when you see a battery that's sold by GoPro that was probably made in China and the GoPro label was put on it, so I'm assuming that this battery was made in China, also probably by the same factory or one of the factories that made the GoPro. It looks exactly like it. Wow. Okay, so it comes with 3 batteries, and remember I said this is a 1480 milliamp battery. The original GoPro is a, what is it? Let me go look really quick. The GoPro battery is a 1220 milliamp lithium for $19. So each GoPro battery is $19, and it has about 200 milliamps less. So that would be 19, let's just assume 20, 40, 60, $60 for the batteries alone, and that would not include the charger. Let's see what the charger looks like. It's very simple. You don't need a fancy charger. Looks like they're only using 2 tabs on the battery for charging, plus and minus. And I'm assuming this is a USB cable. Let's take this out of the package. So you have a standard, looks like a, what is it, a micro USB? It's the standard USB that's used on cell phones now, on Androids, and a regular USB thing that will go into your, it can go into your dongle, your AC adapter. So if you have a 3.0 charger, you should be able to plug this part into there. I don't know if it's going to charge a 3.0, but if you have a powerful charger, you should be able to plug this in. If you have a low power charger, you should still be able to plug it in. If you don't plug it into your computer, it's going to take a lot longer, but it will charge. There's the jack on the back. And I'm looking over there. I'm not really sure what that little thing is over there. Is that a... I don't know. That looks like the micro. And this kind of looks like a USB-C. I could be wrong, but I think it's USB-C. That is what it is. So they want you to use a 2-amp charger for the best charging. 2-way power. It supports USB input, and it also supports a Type-C input. So whichever cable you've got, you're going to be able to charge this. And what else does it say? So the neat thing is, as I said, GoPro batteries, 20, 40, 60. You're going to buy the Artman over here. What you're going to have is 3 batteries, a charger, and a USB cable for under $27. Now that is a heck of a deal. And the batteries, as I said, they just look the same. Probably because they are the same, except they have more power, more storage of power. So I just bought a GoPro, and believe me, these GoPros will not last long if you're shooting. If you're doing a bike ride for a few hours, you're going to need these. The worst thing that can happen is you're shooting with the GoPro and then your battery dies, and then you have to go home and charge it up for a couple hours. So this is a really good deal from Artman. Bought it on Amazon. I'm going to put an Amazon affiliate link to purchase this in the description. Hopefully you like this video. Do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. If there's a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I'll do the review. So I'm really excited. I'm going to charge all 3 of these up now. Charging 3 of them up, I think it might take a lot longer than if I was just charging 1 up, but that's okay, because I'm going to be doing a bike ride coming up next week on the new bike with the new GoPro, and I want to be able to have enough battery power so that I can do this bike ride and record everything. This is a really good price. Artman, A-R-T-M-A-N, GoPro batteries on Amazon. There it is, people. All 3 of them charged up in about an hour and a half. Pretty awesome.